A Sikh NGO has launched a fundraising project to help those affected by the recent floods in Punjab, India. Sikh Naujawan Sabha Malaysia President Paramjeet Singh said the Punjab Flood Fury campaign is aimed at rebuilding lives and restoring hope. Paramjeet also said the people of Punjab are facing huge challenges and uncertainties due to the devastating floods, leaving many homeless, hungry and feeling helpless.
We are all aware of the flood situation in Punjab and the crisis that it has caused. The whole of Punjab is right now in turmoil, and they need our urgent help and whatever aid we can furnish them. We are working with local partners and are trying to identify certain places where we can render this aid, but it will all take effect only once we have enough donations or collections to go across.
He said the people of Punjab need urgent help and support to survive and recover from this massive natural calamity. Punjab is largely an agrarian state and the crops of many farmers, especially paddy, have been destroyed by the floods. The NGO is appealing to Malaysians to join in this urgent humanitarian project and donate through the Global Sikh Relief Fund.